Troika Media Group. I had made a video 2-3 days ago here on Troika Media Group, as it was absolutely flying in trading volume. Trading volume is up pretty much equivalent as to what it's been over the last 3 days here. It's almost middle of the day trading, 89 million, almost 90 million trades of TRKA stock. It is the fifth most traded stock here on the market today. As you can see here, Zella Technologies here going crazy as well. I'll probably have a video on Zella Technologies later today. But for Troika Media Group, right? People were talking, and we had alluded to in the previous video, this is a $35 million market cap stock here, and we were alluding in the previous video that maybe retail investors were grabbing a hold here of this stock and pushing it to new types of levels. I mean, we can see here over the last computer is moving slow for me, but over the last 5 days or so, 5 or 6 days ago, previous to this day, we have seen in the red. Let's just take a look at the last 5 days here. We have seen some pretty positive price action. I mean, we're looking at earlier in the week, Troika Media Group trading at around a low of 37 cents, even down here in the beginning of the week, trading at around 36 cents, and was as high as 59 cents, right? And it's kind of stayed at that level above 50 cents. So significant price action this week here for TRKA stock. And the price has gone up, right? The cost, you can see here, according to this Investor Place article. Again, shout out to Investor Place. We'll leave a link to the description below of this article. But you can see here, the street notes that the average CTB fee for a stock ranges between 0.3 and 3%. The CTB for TRKA stock sits at 130.94%. CTB signifies the yearly rate that short sellers must pay to borrow shares. The rate rises when a short seller demand is high and falls when short seller demand is low. In addition, a high CTB fee can also reflect the scarcity of available short shares. On the other hand, a high CTB fee could also be perceived as positive for shareholders, but let's get into the details. So you can see here, there's a 130.94% CTB fee, which is essentially the fee to be able to borrow these short shares, and it does seem a little high. As a result, a high fee may influence short sellers to cover their positions by buying shares of the underlying stock. A high CTB fee also affects a trader's risk-reward model and lowers the chances of it selling for profit. So as of February 15th, which is about 2.5 weeks ago, there were 12.89 million shares of TRKA stock sold short with a value of $3.808 million. The equivalent to a short interest as a percentage of a float of 36.3%. But you can see here, specifically, the resale sought to issue 266.7 million shares upon the exercise of 33.33 million warrants. Another 6 million shares could have been issued to Troika's replacement agent or its assignees upon the exercise of 1 million warrants. With the withdrawal of the resale, Troika may have missed out on 68 million in gross proceeds, but escaped dilution in the process. So what is going on here with Troika Media Group is that so many of these short sellers, right, or probably even right now, over the last trading day, last day and a half, are trying to kind of cover these positions here, right? We had talked about how I believed, there was no significant news that had come out in regards to TRKA stock that would really, give reasoning to why the stock was trading so heavily over the last couple of days. So we were talking about how retail trading here and retail investors have definitely shown interest in TRKA stock. It's been trending on different Reddit pages about pages for retail investors and things like that. So as it continues to trade pretty heavily, I think right now currently this is a high to get a position here on TRKA stock if you are looking to possibly get a position. I mean, we're talking about a $35 million cap stock here, trading at around probably going to finish the day well over 100 million trades. I believe yesterday, I think it finished well over close to 150 in total stock trades yesterday. So definitely very interesting to see what is going on here with TRKA stock overall on the day. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this stock. I think it continues to have significant retail interest here. Drop a like on this video, guys. Hit the subscribe button. And as always, you guys have a great day.